Hello guys, this is Brad again, and one of my book titled The UnBrokable 6, The 10 Reasons Why Broke Despite Working is available for free until tomorrow. Until Thursday, next 2 days it's gonna be free. And I believe a very serious recession is coming next year. You can go to Amazon and just click and download it for free. And a serious recession is coming from next year. And if you want to check the reason why, if you don't have enough money, just check out the reasons. What's the reason make people poor? And you can just type the breadcrumb and go to Amazon and click the book sort by price low to high. You'll see 3 books are available for free. So just see if you can just download these when these are free. These are all about the poverty or business, poor business. I feel sorry and what I found.